Hey guys, it's Josie, and today I just wanted to do a little bit of cleaning and organizing for the new year and just decluttering some things and getting rid of some things. So let's just get right into the video. The first thing I did was take my calendar down from last year. So this is just the one that I had up all year long, and it had different locations that you want to travel in. It was called Around the World, and I really liked it, and all of the pictures were super pretty. So this is all of them on there. There was a similar one this year, but I didn't want to get the same calendar basically both years. And then this is the one I got for this year. It is a Disney one, and I really liked the cover, how it was Moana, and it ends up on July, which is my birth month, and Moana is one of my favorite Disney movies. So there's all the pictures on the back. This is the opening picture that you get, which I think is super cute. And then this is the one for January. It's Beauty and the Beast. And then I took my calendar from the 2023 year and I put it into the pile with my old calendars and my magazines that I have sitting there. I do keep some magazines that I get in the mail, but I don't keep all of them. This is just a pile of the ones that are more recent and that I wanted to keep for now. Then I had some Christmas stuff left over, so I just had a few things out this year for decoration, and then I had all of this wrapping paper that needed put away. So I went ahead and got my container down from above my closet, and I realized that not all of my wrapping paper would fit in here, but a good amount of it did, so the rest I just took downstairs. I took everything out so that I could fill it back up and put all of my holiday decor away. So starting with my wrapping paper, I knew I wanted to put it on the side because it will pretty much only fit that way unless I put it diagonal, but if I put it diagonal, I lose space for everything else. And then I kind of acted like it was a puzzle to fit everything inside that I had, and the newer stuff that I got needed to fit as well. I did not put the white and green ceramic pot in there because it is too tall and I'm a little worried because it's more fragile, so I left that out and just put it on top of my closet next to this bin. But if I had a taller container, I would definitely put it in there and keep it wrapped up and safe. In here I just have my 4 rolls of wrapping paper, and then I have my little reindeer that I got from Target last year and some Christmassy tins that I got gifts in, or I can send gifts in. I have this little skull cup for Halloween, a little Christmas tree with some lights, and these 2 cookie tins that I got this year on sale so that I can have them for next Christmas. And I also have a Easter egg in the corner and this little Easter basket that I can reuse, and I had to scrunch up the tree a little bit more so that everything would fit, but I eventually got everything situated nicely inside this container. I also put my little reindeer in here, so I wrapped it up like 3 or 4 times, and then I put it in the little space where the little Easter basket is. Now I'm going to make one of my shoebox organizers because I want to put some stuff more organized on top of my closet on the other side. So I made this shoe organizer box, and I wanted to put all my headbands and other accessories like that inside. So I went ahead and I put some of my reusable face masks in there, and then I put my Dalmatian headband from a past Halloween costume. I also went ahead and put my senior headband and another just sparkly headband in there. And then I put my Christmassy ones in there. So I have this light up headband and then the one I wore this year, which is the sparkly antlers. Next, I just put this beanie in there. It's a navy beanie with like a little puffball on top. And I also put my Day of the Dead flower headband in there. And I still had some room, so I put these earmuffs that I haven't got to wear yet inside. And then I also put this scrunchie set that I got for Christmas, and it's just these Minnie Mouse scrunchies that I think are so cute. So I ended up making two and stacking them. This one just has a wall tapestry and some yarn in it, and then the one on top is my headbands and other accessories. I have a Halloween costume from this past year, and then this bag has those wall vines with flowers, and then I just have another bag on top, and it's right next to my bin of swimsuits and my bin of sheets. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning and organizing video. If you want to see more, you can like and subscribe down below, or leave a comment on what you want to see next, and have a nice day!